We are live. We are back. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for checking out. Take some time out your day to check out this video and everything. So what we're about to do, we are going to hop in the car. We're actually about to go to a meet at Charlotte Auto Spa. They usually have a, a monthly meet, car meet. So we're gonna go check that out. May have to clean this off a little bit, but we're gonna go out there, check out some cars, and have some fun. So see you in a bit. So let's go ahead and get this car started here. Garage is gonna be open, so sorry neighbors, so let's let it rip. Oh yeah, it's gonna never get old. I love that sound, man. You already know, Hemi problems. Check out gas price. Thirsty, so thirsty. Also, while waiting for the car to fill up, I just want to thank everybody for checking out the channel, subscribing, and all of that. If you do subscribe to my channel and you want me to subscribe back to your channel, make sure to comment down below in the video with the link to your channel, so that way I know you subscribe. Because depending on the settings that you have on your YouTube channel, I may not know if you subscribed or not. I will know I have another subscriber, but I won't know who it is. So make sure you comment down below. If you want me to subscribe back to your channel, I'll be sure to do that and show some love back to your channel. And we have made it to Charlotte Auto Spa. Right now it is a Mopar takeover for sure. Check out some of the cars we got out here. Some crazy shaker. Got another shaker, Tour Red. Scat pack. Sure. Instagram there. Shaker. Charger. RT charger here. So we at Charlotte Auto Spa up in the garage, as you can see. Now for anyone that's thinking about possibly doing a ceramic coat on your car, you can tell how immaculate this looks here. This is crazy shiny. Looks good here. Also a black car, which you see how shiny it is. It is crazy shiny. So if anyone's thinking about doing it, definitely looks worth it. Possibly something you may see done on my car. My car is black as well, so you know how that goes. So yeah, this looks good. It looks really good. Also, story is right here, so you can see how it looks on that one. Really shiny.
YouTube videos of,
cool deal.
edit those in. Well, I do some vlogs every once in a while, and I'll like edit in my photos that I took that day.
Ooh, I thought that was something different.
Yeah, I was trying to hold.
Just edit that out.
Yeah, it was recording. I found out that I only have 2 hands, the hard way.
Oh,
Yeah.
what does that mean?
So I had camera in one hand, beer in the same hand, phone in the other hand.
Okay, I see the dilemma.
Someone had to go.
You accidentally dropped the camera.
So I still have the camera, still have my phone.
Oh no!
So you dropped everything.
No. The camera would have been all right if it fell, but. And oh, that's been running the whole time. Perfect. Lamborghini Urus. All right, we are at the end of the video, and as you can tell, I am in so much traffic right now. My Waze, all of it is red. Well, it was red, but everything's red. And I have a 6-speed, so I am having a lot of fun going from first to neutral to first to neutral to first to neutral. So let me know what you think of the video. I had fun out there. It was a really good event. Definitely a Mopar takeover, but I'm happy that some other cars came out to the event and all that. Like I said, let me know what you think. Hit the comment below. You know what to do, man. Subscribe, like, do all that jazz. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. We out.